Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Hi, this is Hans, and this is... And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
UK.
That's right. These are from the UK. These are from IWOOT. It's another part of the series of neat ramen-related things that they've got over there. Have some info for where you can get them and all that. So let's crack this first one open and see what's inside. Alright, so it says on the front of the package that this is what you call a giclée. I think that's how it's pronounced. So these are special prints, like fancy art prints. So here's the first one. It's that panda bear kind of motif. You might remember from the other episode there was a mug with this logo on it. Pretty cool. The second one is in black. It's pretty cool. So yeah, it's some kind of special ink process that uses a different kind of printer, or I'm not sure completely, but I saw that it's a pretty fancy process the way they do these. So it's on a very thick stock, and this is pretty nice. Definitely suitable for framing. And then we have this package. And we have some shirts. Cool. Let's see what we got here. Influencer samples. I like that. So here's the first one. It's got a pocket spot, and then here's the back. And here's the second. This one's just like the giclée. And then there's this one. Let's see what we got here. This one's pretty rad. And of course, the most important thing, do they fit? Well, let's see. Cool. Yeah, very nice. Thank you very much. So yeah, if you want to pick some of these up, go check out IWOOT, and here's a coupon code for you. And yeah, well, cool. Thanks to the folks over at IWOOT for shooting this stuff over. Some pretty cool products that I've got to check out, and I hope you'll check them out too. And yeah, this has been Hans, and this has been
Myers.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles
Every day.
every day. Have a good one.
Bye.